I did a video at the beginning of the season of this pond. The plants really took off. All these water hyacinth are from just two. These tall plants here I got out of the local pond. There's a goldfish there. There's goldfish and mosquito fish. I added a little waterfall. I just got that pillow stuffing there to clean it up a little extra. And I just have it running into a little bucket. And sand in the bottom. Threw a bunch of snails in there. It's not done yet. I still need to put something out in the front, kind of hide it. But it filters the water, and the waterfall is nice to listen to. There's goldfish and mosquito fish. The mosquito fish just had babies, so there's tons of little baby mosquito fish. But this hyacinth really took off. And these plants here are out of the local lake. I think this is just grass. I got some corn growing. There's my raised garden over there. Thanks for watching.